Today, we are talking about a brand that is really starting to branch out in the home security game and the smart home world, and I like that. Now, this is going to be two parts, two separate videos, and first up, we're talking about a smart lock from TCL that you can unlock and lock with your palm vein. Pretty cool. Let's talk about it. What up, everybody? George Langabeer here. Today we're talking about two of my favorite topics, home security and the smart home. We're talking about the brand TCL. They've been in the electronics game for quite some time, very well known, but they're really starting to branch out into home security and the smart home, and that's exciting. Now, they sent me two different products to try out. This is not a sponsored video. They just sent them to me to try out, and because there's two, I'm gonna break it into two videos. First up, we have a smart lock that you can lock and unlock with your palm vein. It's the TCL Palm Vein Smart Lock D1 Pro. I'm gonna tell you all about it. I'm gonna unbox it. We're gonna talk setup and installation. I'm gonna talk price and specs. I'm gonna talk about the app that you're gonna use with this lock, and I'm gonna give you my full review, pros and cons. Let's start with the unboxing. All right, here we go. Unboxing the TCL D1 Pro. So you got Palm Vein Smart Lock, 3-in-1 integration, Palm Vein built-in Wi-Fi smart lock. Little quick start guide, user manual, some QR codes for some video guides, mounting template, some more detailed instructions. One half of the lock. You can see you do have a physical key here. This will be a keypad. Mounting bracket. Your battery, accessory kit, got a mold there for your lock. Here's your actual bolt, strike plate, and some screws. All right, then we got the other side of the lock. This will be the interior part of the lock. Got some 3M adhesive, pretty lightweight. Got your physical latch, battery compartment, some keys for the physical lock, some TCL cards, some more additional screws, and your installation screws. All right, that's the contents of the box. All right, let's talk installation and setup. You're gonna get the box that you got the lock in. You're gonna look for the card that has all the QR codes on it. Scan those QR codes to take you to various guides, but one of those is gonna be an installation setup guide that's a video that'll walk you through the installation step by step. Once you've installed the lock, because it's pretty easy watching that video, and you've inserted the battery, then you're gonna start to get some menu options on the actual lock itself because the lock talks to you. And you use the keypad to navigate those settings. And you'll have various options. You can set up a palm vein right there from the lock. But my advice to you is set up your network configuration first. You'll have that option on the lock. Once you've done that, then you can add the lock to the app. Now keep in mind, the app is not branded TCL. It's called the Smart Life app. So you're looking for the Smart Life app in the App Store. Then once you have that app and you've set up your network configuration, you can add the lock to that app, and then you can use the lock settings or the app settings to configure the lock exactly how you want it, and then you're good to go. All right, before we move on to price and specs, keep in mind, I have an affiliate link in the description of this video if you're interested in purchasing the lock. The lock is currently $199.99. It has leading palm vein recognition technology. The D1 Pro recognizes individuals based on individual palm vein patterns. So the palm vein patterns on your hand. The recognition distance for your palm vein is 2 to 6 inches, and it'll recognize it in under 1 second. There are 6 different methods of unlocking. You can use your palm vein, you can use your app, you can use the keypad, you can use a voice assistant, you can use a physical key, and you can use a fob. And TCL includes 2 fobs for use. You have auto lock, meaning that it'll lock behind you when you leave without you having to do a thing. And then it also has one touch lock where you can just touch the keypad and it'll lock. And compared to fingerprint locks, this lock is not hindered by dry hands, aged hands, or light fingerprints. It also doesn't matter if your hands are wet or dirty. We have app remote control, which we're going to talk about in a moment. The lock is equipped with a 7800 milliamp hour battery which is eco-friendly and rechargeable. And that battery will give you up to 8 months of battery life. And you can also get 20% low battery alerts. The lock is smart home compatible with Google Home and Lady A from Amazon, sadly, no Apple Home or HomeKey. It has an IP54 weather rating, which is rated -4 degrees to 140 degrees, and that's Fahrenheit. And again, when I talked about installation and setup, some settings are available on the actual lock. All right, now let's talk a little bit about the Smart Life app. All right, you're gonna get the Smart Life app from the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. You're gonna sign up for an account, you're gonna add your device. I've already added mine, so I'm gonna open the app. There's my D1 Pro on the home screen. I'm gonna press on it, and then you can see you can unlock and lock the door. I'm gonna long press. You're gonna hear mine in the background. The lock does talk to you, so it's unlocked. I'm gonna long press again. All right, it locked. Right below that, I have my battery percentage. Now keep in mind, I've been testing this lock a lot, so I've been eating the battery much quicker than you probably will. So don't let that 52% worry you. I've got a log right underneath that. That's every time somebody used the lock, every user and which method they used. And it'll also show you when the lock is offline, if it goes offline for some reason. All right, below that, you've got a temporary password. You can do custom or dynamic. You can create your own passcode, or you can have one created for you randomly, which is pretty cool. And then you've got an effective time, so that's when the temporary passcode will start. And then you've got the invalid time, that's when it'll stop. Then you can do the password name, so if you wanted to give a person's name in there or whatever you want to do. And then you can repeat it if you want, and then you can save. And then right below that, you've got set, which stands for settings. This is where the main settings are. You've got remote unlock. You can toggle that on and off. Remote unlocking permission, which only the administrators can do. You've got a voice password. You can change the voice password, automatic lock switch, and then your auto lock delay time. That's how long it'll take for the door to automatically lock behind you. So you can change that duration if you want to. Then you've got lock navigation volume, device language, and mute mode. After opening, the door lock can be in silent mode for a specific period of time. All right, so that's the main settings. If I go back to the home screen, I just want to show you the Me tab on the bottom right. And the only reason I want to show you that is because that's where you'd go in and set up your smart home integration with Google Home or Alexa. Moving on to my review, pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. The palm vein concept is unique, fast, and responsive. Definite pro. I like the 6 different methods to use the lock. That's a pro. You've heard me talk about this in some of my other smart lock reviews, the auto lock. To me, that's very important because I rely on it. I use that feature all the time. This lock, the auto lock, was flawless, never failed me once. Battery life. I haven't got to test this lock long enough to really prove it, but if TCL's claims are true, that is a pro. I've been testing the lock pretty heavily, and I find that the battery usage is about normal with any other lock I've tested. So far, so good. This lock is well made and feels worth the price. Moving on to my cons. Now, if you follow my pro tips at the beginning of this video, you'll be fine. But installation can be a little confusing because once you have the lock installed, then you get those settings from the actual lock itself. But if you don't do the network configuration, you can't completely set up the lock by adding it to the app. So that's all a little confusing. So just follow my tips. Don't get me wrong, the features that this lock does have are very cool, but I do wish it was compatible with Matter or Apple HomeKey specifically. That would be great. So I'm marking it as a con because I am an Apple Home guy. All right, that's my review of the TCL Palm Vein Smart Lock D1 Pro. What do you think? I think it's a pretty cool lock. I think it's absolutely fantastic that TCL is ramping up their interest in the smart home and home security. They've been doing electronics for a long time. They do it very well. These are 2 excellent categories for them to spread their wings. I think the palm vein technology is awesome. If you compare it to a fingerprint, as far as using it, unlocking and locking a lock, both methods are very secure and very convenient. But with the palm vein, you don't have to worry about dirty hands and wet hands and light fingers and all the different things that can happen with a fingertip. Teresa and I have both had a flawless experience with this lock. We've had 0 issues with it recognizing our palms. It was very responsive in under 1 second, like they said. We tried some other palms, like my mother, my daughter, and a couple friends, and they couldn't get in. So it was very secure, but overall, pretty awesome experience. I'd love to know what you think. What's your favorite smart lock? Check out our smart lock playlist. I've done videos on quite a few. Check out part 2 of this series where I'm going to talk about TCL's new wireless security camera that has a built-in solar panel. Until that video, peace and love, my friends.